Hey, Vanier! Looking for a licensed and insured plumber who is committed to delivering top-notch plumbing solutions for your home and our green earth? Look no further than Environmental Plumbing. From leaky faucets, toilet repairs, home plumbing appliances, and more. Environmental Plumbing is proud to offer a full spectrum of services to keep your home or business running smoothly. Environmental Plumbing is dedicated to safe and responsible practices for your home, wallet, and the environment. Our eco-friendly drain cleaning methods are a sustainable solution to protect your home and our planet. Mother Nature does not rest, and neither do we. Environmental Plumbing offers same-day and emergency plumbing services. We'll give you a 3-hour arrival window and we'll call you when we're on our way. Environmental Plumbing is proudly servicing Ottawa and its surrounding areas. Whether you're a business looking to keep your operations running smoothly or a family at home with a plumbing issue that needs emergency services, we are equipped and ready to serve you with your satisfaction and the environment as our top priority. With 5-star reviews across Google for prompt service and eco-friendly solutions, it's clear why so many Ottawa homeowners choose Environmental Plumbing. Let's keep our planet and your wallets green together. Call us at 613-762-1969 or save $20 by booking online at environmentalplumbing.ca/Vanier.